Golfin with Dixon. Stirling Golf Club here with Fife. I'm going to play some golf because I'm getting back into it. Apparently, because we've been hitting the golf balls at home. So now we're playing. This place over there. Nearly fell over. Just guarantee that this first ball is gone. Lost, I mean. Something like that. Right, here we go. Yeah, it might take a quick mulligan. Yeah, well, I'm not finding that.
No, you're not.
Like I said the first one I was going to lose. It's good social golf though. It's up there in the middle. Yep. Yes, 5. Not bad. All going well, mate. GWD, Golfin with Dixon. All right, well, know what to hit here.
60, 56 something.
Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to hit. Whether I can or not.
What's your other option?
Well, a little bump and run or something.
You do you.
In a bit of the wet here. Yep.
There's a bit of a backboard there. Oh, he might have got in the trees. Woo! Oh, didn't mean to do that, but.
Ah, shit. So now I remember why I don't play this game anymore.
I thought you picked up a putter out the gutter back there. I thought you found one.
You know. Good start, right? So mulligan was the first one.
That wasn't ideal.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mind your way.
I'm not. No, you're right. I'm not chipping that. Slow down. Oh. Go.
Good roll, but.
Practice hole, right?
Yeah. Practice 7.
Oh, not good. Practice hole.
Yeah, +3. It's not a great start, is it?
Is
that
mine?
yours? Yeah.
Queen of leaving my clubs behind.
What is it? Par 4 again.
+3. Nice wind.
You hit over the cars.
Yeah. Oh, you're with me.
Yeah, well. Weird. What am I aiming for? I'm aiming for the pin over there, mate. We're down on the foot. We're down over the footpath.
I'm very left. Not sure if I'll find it left.
But hey, it's called social golf.
Yeah.
We're doing it together.
That's right.
Come on.
Just skidded the whole way down there. Thank you.
That'll be me, I think. There?
Nah. Not worth me spending my time looking for it.
There's a bit of hole there, isn't it? I reckon I can hit a wedge at that.
Hardest part about this course is like the slopes. It gets me every time.
Kick out. You heard it come out there somewhere.
She in the trees.
Yeah. You can lay it up, you dog.
At least you'll see where yours is. Don't roll too.
It's not as wet as at home, where the ball's just a stick. Sneaking up on it. Come on. Just gonna bump and run this thing up there, because I ain't getting under that. Once you hit one of those roots and bounce off somewhere.
Oh, just pulled up short.
There we go.
Did you get your ball? Oh, you're here.
Oh, just there.
Yeah.
No, thought I hit it a bit better than that. Ooh,
Oh.
fast these greens.
Yeah. They're like either really, really fast or wet as hell. Oh.
Behind.
That looks good. Leaves everywhere. Bastard.
Ah, golf, eh? Yep. That's why we play, you know?
Soul soothing shit.
Yeah.
Where's my cart?
140.
Yeah.
No filling the sheets in,
No
mate, all right?
sheets
You just
today.
can keep it down over there.
I wasn't going left.
In what world?
That
Am I
sounded
topping-
so fast.
Am I topping the f***ing ball?
Need longer clubs.
These things got 2 inches on them.
That's what mine rolled to.
And then it brings you back. You find it?
Yeah, I just hit it up there.
Not a bad chip.
To stand on my tippy toes. Oh shit.
Bro,
Whoa.
did you hear that branch just fall down? I was like,
How's yours next to the hole?
Killed you. Not me though. Just a kind of a game, mate.
Felt like I was playing baseball up there. What was he doing? I thought he was going to get hit, but I think he was just watching. Uh-oh. Oh, that's lucky that hit that.
Hit it, should have marked my ball. Start.
And then it would have ended up like down near mine.
Yep.
Come around. Oh, shit, they are fast. What is that?
That'll do. Got a bogey on that one.
It's not bad.
Bogey golf's good golf.
Bogey golf is great golf.
Yeah, right.
Simple. Hardest hole, this one.
Yeah, we'll just fucking hit it down there. Can't be that hard.
Nah, just hit it. Simple.
Exactly. Tee boxes need a bit of work. Not really that. I mean, I'm just used to hitting off carpet, you know. Literally carpet.
Where'd that go?
It's under those trees there. Oh.
That was. I don't know where my things are. I'm not.
Where it goes, it's just about how it
I'm going
sounds,
from here.
how it feels, you know.
Why do I keep doing that? Straight.
Straight. No, I can't tell you why.
It's your clubs. That creek will get me. Ah! Oh no, this is muddy as hell. Yuck. Ew!
Perfect.
What the fuck?
Is that you just there?
I just absolutely got myself with that mud.
Fuck, if it starts drying out from now on.
Gross.
Righto. Not a bad look at it. It's a bit of a, how far are we? 59. Reckon an 8 iron will get me there? What do you reckon, Al?
9 iron.
A 9 iron. I ain't listening to you. You'd rather be long than short.
Are you going for the green?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got an 8 iron. Do you reckon that's enough? Be long than short, right?
Oh,
A little bit long.
didn't roll back down?
Don't know. I didn't see it after I hit the tree, after it went over the trees. 9 iron, mate. Probably right. There's one under that tree over there.
This went like more inside here, did it?
I got no idea, eh?
Yeah, I was just, I reckon that's mine. I feel like yours come up in here a little bit higher.
Smoked it, mate.
Probably in the toilet.
Clever use of the tree.
That was mad, just a freaking fast green.
Where? Got lucky to hit the tree. A couple balls for home, or for today. Pro V1.
Thought that was gonna come around.
We need balls will be coming
It's
back.
usually not clear like this. It's so muddy usually. Yeah.
Fucking horrible.
That's what happens when we play all the time.
I wouldn't worry about that.
No, it's just on its freaking lean about to snap off.
Every other green's fast as fuck. And this borsted. They make a mess. What are they fucking called? Know what they're called? No, there's something else. Corellas. That's the fucking ripping up the lawn under the tree, making an absolute mess. Waiting for my gun licence to come through. It's frowned upon, I know. Well, it's funny that he's in the back of the XR6.
Great.
And all the fans out, all the
You probably make millions of it.
members only, after hours, drugging with Dixon comes out.
Oh yeah, that's a good series.
No, it ain't. It's a horrible series.
Rocking with Dixon.
See, now that wants to go right.
And it will roll.
Yeah, it's good social golf.
Social golf. Better?
Stay there.
I'm hitting it on too.
Just right of the fairway.
It's gonna roll.
That's all right. But where is it? Unless...
Here, look, this like this. Ah!
Yeah, I know. I saw you hit the same one and I grabbed it out and I was like,
There'll be one that's
Probably
further up
shouldn't
here
do that.
somewhere.
there is one down there.
There's one there anyway.
One down there. Fifth,
What's that one?
the soccer ball.
Ah,
Same as that one.
yeah, right.
Because I reckon my second one was out there and this is my first one and then this one must have been
Bring him
somewhere
up here.
Sick.
Thanks.
Tight.
Sound alright?
Not long enough. Or straight enough.
What, did it go left?
Yes. Not long enough or straight enough. That's a usual issue. Get in the car, you. Nice shot. Get up. Get on there.
Oh! Scoots around the edge.
Come here, you bastard.
What's happened here? Whoa. Right, let's not balls this one up. Oh, oh!
First time I actually had a look at the green, man. Maybe I should have a look every time.
Swear it does help. Too fucking hard.
Too heavy. Well, the greens aren't very consistent, are they? There we go.
Now I've got this
Yeah.
crater in front of me. I'm going to blame it on that if I miss.
Yeah. Helped you? I was going to say slowed the cunt down, that's for sure.
Ah, social golf.
Yep.
Righto. How far you got?
What hole are we at?
6.
160 with a wedge. Off the deck.
All right. See what you got. Oh, drop. Might be a little short.
Too bad. This is the best connection all day. Nice fifth.
Bit long, I think.
You haven't played properly in a while, all right? So just
Yeah.
a bit of slack here and there.
At least I hit the ball.
I'm just happy with my connection, you know. Look at the lip on that, borsted.
Welcome to Mount Everest.
Only time will tell. Pull your strides up and get into it.
I don't even have any tips for you.
Ah, it's not too bad.
It actually looked really good.
I'm out. Fucking rakes all the way over here. There's no other fucking used it. Nice. Oh, very good.
Thank you. Oh,
All right. You want me to go or you want to go?
I don't care.
You go.
Yeah.
Just tap it in. You're all right. Bogey golf, still good golf. There you go.
Bogey golf.
Bogey.
Oh!
Fuck.
Make it bogey golf. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot about it.
I can't, I was in the fucking bunker.
Did it come
Bring it
out
over
that
here,
first time?
Hey?
Did it come out that first time?
Yeah.
All I seen was so much sand.
Yeah. It's all in me fin eyes.
Yeah.
Some of your best driving yet, Owen. Yep.
Come
back.
round. That'll bounce down.
Nice.
So 5 chip putt. I've got no idea. Oh, good spot. Great spot.
You can see where that landed.
Just rolling back down now. Oh, that was perfect. Straight down the middle. That sounded so smooth.
Swung it very hard.
Yeah.
It hurt my neck. My neck.